Hi, this is Sam. Today I'm going to try the new crystal ball frappuccino. Let's get trying it. Tastes like peach juice. Tastes really good. I like it as a star 5 out of 5. The flavors in it are a mystic turquoise peach inspiration frappuccino cream blended beverage topped with peach flavored whipped cream and one of 3 candy gems that reveal the fortune. Order gaze them all will be told, and while you can predict what the gems will reveal, you will tell you what the drink is only here for a few short days. It's better get your drink for the next couple of days because it's going to be gone. It's a really good drink. You guys should get it. I hope you like this video. Please click like and subscribe.